Alright guys, so today we're going to do a 5-color pour on a new mold that I just received. I just got this mold in the mail. I have already pre-mixed my colors offline. I have silver, deep forest green, light sky blue, red, and purple. So what we're going to do is just start randomly pouring colors into the board. See what happens. No specific order, just let them do their thing. So you used 100 grams in each cup, so we're using 500 grams of resin. Hopefully that's enough. I didn't measure out the cutting board, but if I need to make a couple ounces more, I'll make it. But so far it seems to be pretty good. Make sure we get every last ounce out. Looks like 500 are going to be just enough. Just mix it in, and I'm just going to let it do its thing. I'm not going to swirl it. I'm not going to touch it. Just going to let it dry. I'll pop any bubbles that come to the surface with a long neck lighter. So drizzle this in. Some neat patterns. And then we'll let it dry for 24 hours. And we'll see what we get. So that's that, and that is my 5-color pour for a cutting board, decorative cutting board, because I wouldn't use it to cut and eat food off of because it's resin. So it's more a decorative piece than a functional piece. So we'll let this sit, and we'll come back in 24 hours and we'll demold. See you then. Alright guys, so I finished my 5-color pour. I've let it sit for, what, 2 days now? So let's reveal and see what it looks like. It's the first time I've used this mold, so I have no idea what it's going to turn out like. So release is nice and easy. Excuse me. This is the back side. And this is the front side. Pretty neat. Kind of got some cell look going on. I think next time I'll try and blend them together with a toothpick or something. But that's the back, that's the front, or that's the front, depending on which pattern you like the best. Yep, that's what we came out with, and it's nice and solid. So that's that. And if you like, please hit that subscribe button. Please share. And I'll see you for the next one. Say bye.